Hey, Steve Austin here to introduce you to the all-new 2024 MULE Pro-FXR 1000 side-by-side. Highlighting the recreational side of the MULE series, this compact vehicle is great for getting around the property, riding trails, fishing, and trust me, it's a workhorse when you need it. The 2024 MULE Pro-FXR raises the stakes with more power and some serious style. This side-by-side is ready to cut loose on the trails when the job's done. For work and for having some fun, you need reliable power. This dependable machine sports a new 999cc twin-cylinder Kawasaki engine with an increased overall top speed. On the job or on the trail, this is the engine you want by your side. All the power gets smoothly delivered by a continuously variable transmission, and choosing the right traction for the situation can be done easily by selecting two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive using the dash-mounted switch. This compact chassis features front and rear double wishbone suspension for a smooth ride. When you need to transport some heavy stuff, you'll be able to do it with a 1,000-pound cargo capacity, or tow whatever you need up to 2,000 pounds. And wheel travel and ground clearance has increased, so you can manage a variety of terrain with more confidence than ever before. The MULE Pro-FXR 1000 provides all-day comfort whether you use it for work around the property or taking a fishing trip. The smooth ride is something you'll have to experience for yourself. Don't underestimate how much a bumpy ride can tire you out. To help keep your arms fresh, this vehicle's got speed-sensitive electric power steering. Inside the spacious 3-passenger cabin, you'll be sitting on thick bench seats contoured for extra support. Servicing the vehicle is now easier than ever. The MULE Pro-FXR 1000 gives you better access to the oil filter, dipstick, and air filter. In addition, the new air intake system provides cleaner air to help keep your vehicle running smoothly for a longer duration so you can focus on the job at hand. Step up to the LE model for more style and convenience. This model features premium styling, including painted hood and cast aluminum wheels. The whole upscale package includes some great additions like cup holders and a sun top. And to back it all up, the MULE Pro-FXR side-by-side comes with the industry-leading Kawasaki Strong 3-year limited warranty, so you can take on the task at hand or take on the trails with confidence. This highly capable vehicle is built tough, so you can rely on the fact that it won't let you down, whether it's work or play from sun up to sundown.